Open it up. Here, rip it open. Here, right here. Here you go. Tear it open. What is that? Look, Cheryl, look. Pull it up. No, Cheryl, come here, honey. Whoa! What is that?
Mama!
Is that a toilet? A potty? Nothing's in there. You got a dollhouse. Wow, with a mommy and a daddy and a baby. Yeah. How fun. Do you like it?
Baby!
Whoa.
Baby!
Yeah. Is that hair? And the mama? Look at all these other toys. You're just so lucky. Is that a kitchen? Is that a sink? And a fridge? Can you open the fridge? Look, you can open the fridge. Wow. How fun. You like it, Cheryl? Yeah? How about you, June? Are you happy? How about you, Nathan? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All these stuff. Oh, we didn't even open our stockings. We got stockings to open too. All right. Good job. Rip it off. Got the two dolls sitting right here. Beautiful monkey and Jessie. Wow, what is that, Cheryl? What is that? Wow, here, Daddy, help me. It's a stool. Yay! And you can open it right here. Look at that. You have a little spot to put stuff. Yeah, it works.
Yeah, set her down on there.
Cute, Cheryl. You and your Jessie. Okay, can you look over here and say Merry Christmas?
Okay.
Say Merry Christmas. Good job. Merry Christmas. You're just obsessed with your Jessie doll, huh? Uh-oh. Here, let's put her hat back on. All right, good job.
Here.
Hi, June. Good morning. Merry Christmas. You're like, what's going on? I don't know. I'm only 3.5 months. Huh. Almost 4 months. How old are you, Cheryl? Almost 2. Merry Christmas. We still haven't finished, but Cheryl wants to stop and take a break with her Jessie. How do you like Jessie?
Hee-haw.
Yay!
Hee-haw.
She's like half your size. Is that for Daddy? Can you give that to Daddy?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, Daddy, your turn. Open it up. That was from me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hat.
Okay, to be continued.